Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this tutorial. In this tutorial in Act Premium Cloud, I'm going to talk to you about creating a mail merge. So a mail merge is typically when you've created some type of letter template and you now want to create a merge or a mail merge with a particular contact or a group of contacts. So to get started, I'm just going to show you how to create a simple mail merge just to the My Record, which is my contact in Act. So to start, here's my record. I'm going to go up and click on Write, and I'm going to go down to Mail Merge. Now, I want you to know there's some setup behind the scenes that typically is done before we get to this point. So if you don't have this exact setup, just reach out to me and we'll get it squared away. But I'm going to click on Mail Merge. Now, when I get into Mail Merge, I have a few options here. I have Word or email. In this case, I've set my default word processor to Microsoft Word. So I'm just going to use that. Regarding the browse area, I'm going to select a template, one of the templates that comes built in with Act. I'm going to click on Browse. Here are some of the random templates I can use. I'm just going to choose any one of these. Let's do the presentation, and I'm going to click OK. So at this point, I have to decide who do I want to have it go to. The current contact, a lookup I might have done, all the contacts in my database. Typically, you don't want to do that. A group or a company. Do I want to attach this document to the history? Typically, it's yes. Having said that, I'm going to now go down and click on Next. When I click on Next, I'm going to see a sample of what the template will look like. Now, this template, some of you might have your logo in it. It might be a little more fancy than this, but I haven't done this in this template because it's a standard template that comes with Act. So the next step is where the cloud version versus the desktop version can create a little confusion for people. Typically, when you create a template or a mail merge, what will happen is Microsoft Word, if it wasn't previously open, will open up. The second thing is, if it was open, it will still create a new document, and Word will typically open in a new window. So you might have a couple windows open and just have to pick the right window. But in the cloud version, something different is going to happen. What's going to happen is we're going to create a download, and that download will be something we now have to open. Let me show you what I mean. The last step is click on Merge. When I click on Merge, you'll notice up here, this opened up, it created a download. So instead of Word opening it up, it created a download. What do I want to do? I can open it, I can save it as a specific name, I can save it. But in this case, I'm going to click Open. And when I do that, here is my document. This is the item that is now open in Microsoft Word. So at this point, I have a few decisions I can make. Do I want to print this? Do I want to save it as a PDF? What do I want to do with it? And the first phase of this is creating a simple mail merge and how this works when you're doing it to just one simple contact, just to get your feet wet. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a mail merge to multiple people. That is something you can print. My third will be how to do it via email and how that works. So this is going to be a series of videos just so you can learn how to work with the mail merge. Again, if you're not seeing what I'm seeing, it might be because of some of the settings in Act, some of the options in Act, and you can reach back to me and I'd be more than happy to go over that with you. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Bye now. Be well.